You don't need a laptop. You don't need capital. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 AI-powered side hustles that you can start today with just your phone. These are real. I've either tried them or seen others making serious money with them. So if you're tired of watching videos without taking action, this is the one to stick with. All 3 of these side hustles require zero startup cost, just an internet connection and your mobile phone. I'll show you exactly how they work, where to sell your service, how to start today, even if you're broke. Stick with me till the end, because the third hustle is the easiest to scale and pays the fastest. Let's start with one that's booming right now, helping people fix their resumes and cover letters using AI. Most people don't know how to write a clean resume. You can use ChatGPT to generate professional resumes in minutes. Here's how you do it. Steps. 1. Ask the client for their details: WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. 2. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Act like a professional HR expert. Write a resume for a marketing graduate with 2 years of freelance social media experience. 3. ChatGPT gives you a polished resume. Just edit it slightly and send it back. 4. Add a Canva-made header if you want to look fancy. Now here's the money part. You can charge 2,000 Nigerian Nairas to 5,000 Nigerian Nairas per resume, even more for cover letters. That's pure profit. You didn't need a laptop. You didn't even need to type much, just copy, paste, edit, and deliver. Start by promoting on Facebook groups, your WhatsApp status, and freelancing sites like Fiverr or Upwork. You don't need a degree, just proof that you could deliver clean, professional work. The second hustle is content creation, but not the usual one. You'll be creating viral quote reels using ChatGPT and Canva, all from your phone. Steps. 1. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 10 motivational quotes in the style of Gary V." 2. Take the best 3 to 5 quotes and copy them into Canva mobile app. 3. Choose a simple black background with bold white text. 4. Add viral music from TikTok. You can use CapCut for this. 5. Export as a 9:16 reel and upload to Instagram/TikTok. Post daily and grow a theme page. Once you hit 1K, 5K followers, people will pay you for shoutouts or quote packs. Or, even better, sell a Canva template pack or ebook. This hustle is perfect for people who like social media and want to build something passive over time. Now this is my favorite and most profitable AI side hustle you can do with zero upfront cost. You'll be creating and selling prompt packs for ChatGPT. What's a prompt pack? It's a digital file that contains high-quality, ready-made prompts people can use for specific tasks. Example packs: 50 ChatGPT prompts for small business owners, 100 AI prompts to make money online, 30 prompts to create viral content. Steps. 1. Open ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 20 prompts a social media manager can use to create content faster." 2. Copy, clean up, and format it in Notepad or Google Docs. 3. Save as PDF on your phone using WPS Office or Google Docs. 4. Upload to Gumroad, Payhip, or sell via WhatsApp/Facebook. People buy digital products every day, especially when it promises to save time or make money. You can sell each pack for $5 to $25 and promote it using your quote reel page or TikTok. This is the most passive, income-friendly hustle on the list because once it's up, it sells on autopilot. Now, before you jump into any of these, let me leave you with one powerful truth. The best AI tool is useless without action. Most people will watch this video and go back to scrolling. But you're not most people. Choose one of the 3, try it today, and DM me on Instagram once you land your first sale. Quick recap. 1. Resume plus cover letters with ChatGPT. 2. Viral quote reels with Canva plus CapCut. 3. AI prompt packs as digital products. Comment below which one you're starting today. And if you want me to make a full tutorial on any of these, let me know. Like this video, subscribe if you're serious about making money, and I'll see you in the next one.